Hello everyone, it's been a long time since I last saw Kaka. Kaka has been busy with a major project recently, overhauling the engine for Cater 390F. That's the C18 engine. The engine was sent back to the repair shop. It was really dirty. Alright, no more lies, let's get back to work. That's the person I deeply love and miss day and night. Will he accept my feelings when I express them on the table? Maybe I'll never tell him. If I let half of it go, are you destined to wander the world? How can there be concerns? All the parts are placed out and need to be installed without hesitation. Should we give up the blossoms to wash the parts and send them for steel and steel material processing, then wash them after processing? Youth is like the flowing contemporary. It must be clean. Pour it inside the bag, leaving me numb. Fasten the steel belt, assembly completed, everyone take a look, read the report, and believe this world has been through that time. Wash the crankshaft and start assembling. Years have passed in the blink of an eye, with numerous separations and joys. The figure of the young swallow that once inspired admiration in all directions and headed south for a bright future has gradually faded away. Where is the future? Ordinary. Who started measuring this data for me, the ones who accompanied me? Where are you now? Our maintenance log was recorded by those around me. How are you now? Measure crankshaft clearance. Have the initial wishes come true? Now, all that's left is mourning. Have the years dried up the dreams, making it impossible to find the true me again? Do you, who once accompanied me under the starry sky, still remember? Assemble the cylinder head and weld the corners firmly. Okay. Assembly ready, ready for a test drive. Bullets are ruthless, and the chisel has changed us. Does starting to assemble the engine mean withering? I had dreams of having an engine. Youth falls like a safety in the river, but you won't be too late to say goodbye. Snow started to fall after the installation was completed. With the warmth of the past. Test drive again. Flowers are plugged in the most beautiful way. Every time the engine is repaired, installing the engine will be twice. One round is for test driving on the training ground to check for any small issues and ensure there are no problems after leaving the factory. Check the water temperature, engine oil, pressure, and see if everything is working properly. The second round is to inspect if there are any issues with the vehicle, whether the various sensors are functioning properly. How can I express my deep love for the person I yearn for day and night as much as possible? Will he accept me? It's been snowing a lot lately.